Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you can hear me because there's some background noise of Cocomelon going on for LeBron who is listening to it. So I've been doing house hunting for a while now. I'd like to take you with me when I'm shopping around for a house. I'm going to start with the Rwaka area and then I'll go towards Kinowa Yakiwe area. So Rwaka is divided into three parts in terms of residential houses. There's the center where there's Quickmart, the market, there's a clean shelf, the banks where the banks are, and so on and so forth. So the second area is Joyland. Then after that is the decimal area. So I'll take you through each one of them and the houses that I was able to find. And if you're interested, you can also be able to pick a house for yourself in the process. So let's go. It also has an automatic lock system for the door accessing the staircase. The corridor, which is a common area for different houses, has this automatic sensor lighting system. Here you find that there's a floating vanity and a sink, and there's a lighting system where if you want to shave your face, if you're a guy, you're able to do that and see it very clearly. If you're a lady, you're able to do your makeup well because it has a bulb up there. And then there's a storage space where you can be able to put your stuff for scrubbing, exfoliating and stuff. A towel holder and a glass holder for brushing your teeth. If you're using a glass or whatever you're going to use, you can put that. Here's the toilet that is combined with the bathroom, but there's a separator there, a glass separator, and then it has a sliding door. Guys, please look at the quality of the doors in this house. I hope it's just not glossy for the eyes, but they really look pretty. Here's the cabinet space. It has a decent amount of storage for your stuff. Now here's the balcony. In this house you don't have hanging lines at the balcony or in your house. You hang upstairs at the rooftop. Look at the windows, guys. These are sliding windows, and then they have a net just to prevent bugs and mosquitoes to get into your house, I think, and then some dust also, if I'm not wrong. So this is the two-bedroom. After the sitting room, the first place you enter is the kitchen on your right. The kitchen is quite tiny for a two-bedroom, unfortunately, but the storage space is a plus. And then on the floor at the kitchen area, on the floor at the extreme end, there's a drainage place, so it makes cleaning easy for you. Then through the corridor you see there's that phone for security purposes. And then let's go to the bathroom and the toilet. So guys, the best thing about this house is the finishing. It's superb. Look at the shared bathroom and toilet. It has a ventilator. The shower system is just awesome. And then it has that sliding window to enter. Then there's a sink there, and then now the floor is sort of like non-slip floor. It's very rough and coarse, and the color goes well with the walls. So here we've entered the master bedroom. This is how big the master bedroom is. That's the closet space, also a bit small for houses in this area, but works fine. And that is the window that extends to the balcony. You see how big the balcony is. Remember guys, you don't hang clothes here, you hang them upstairs. So guys, look at this master bathroom. This master bathroom is what had it for me. Look at how it looks like. It has that wash area that is awesome, nicely done. The finishing is good. The sink is, guys, look at this master bathroom. Oh my god. That's it for Kawamu Apartments. Let's move to Belsize Court, that is 400 meters from Club Decimal along the same side. And Belsize Court has two blocks, Block A and Block B. The amenities are a backup generator for common areas, not for all houses. It has no lift. It has 4 floors. There is enough parking space for residents. And it sits just at the stage. Belsize also has a borehole water system, so you don't have to worry about having no water in your houses. Now let's enter the sitting room. This is how big the sitting room is. It has curtain rods, not curtain rods but curtain boxes. Doesn't have curtain rods, so this is an old design kind of house. And then this is the side of the kitchen. It has an open kitchen, and this is how it looks like inside. It also has enough storage space for whatever stuff you have for the kitchen. And then the pantry area is also, enough for whatever you have. The counter working space is also large enough, and that's the door heading to the balcony. This house has vacant houses on ground floor and one at first floor, so the balconies may differ in how they look like, or my view of how I approach the balconies may differ, so don't be surprised. I have a house on the left and a house on the right that I'm viewing, just giving you the best views of each. This is the balcony. It's large, you guys, and then it has a hanging space up. It doesn't have on the rails going outside. That's a plus. And then it has a Adobe area, and then the Adobe area has a drainage at the corner, at the far end of the corner, so it's also a plus. Now let's move to the master bedroom. This is the master entrance. First door you get is for the bathroom and the toilet. For shower. It's equally large, extending inside. Then let's move to the bedroom. You find that there's a mirror. On first floor there's a mirror. Ground floor, just behind the door, there's a sink and not the mirror. The mirror is in the side of the bedroom. That's the cabinet space. It's large, you guys. It's larger than the other side. That's the window area. Also the light is not so bad. At the cabinet section you see it has enough hanging space, and there's a place there for putting shoes down. And then up there's also those small cabinets for putting maybe bags or something, things that you don't use. This is the other master bedroom where the door is sort of like laminated. Is it laminated or the window looks different? It's a amount of space going inside. I think this one has been renovated, so it looks a bit different. I mean, that's the toilet. Behind the door is the sink, and there's that soap, whatever dish thing that the person who was there before fitted in, so they've not removed. Then straight ahead you go to the master bedroom. The sizes are dependent on which side it is. I found this one was a bit bigger than the other one. Here's the shared, the common bathroom and toilet are separate. And this is the last bedroom. There's a mirror, a long mirror all the way down. Then this is now how it looks like. This is how it looks like. I hope it's clear. It's dark right now because the weather. There's no sunlight, so I've not been able to get a good footage of the whole place. These are the cabinets. Same structure as the master bedroom, nothing different. And that's it. So from the bedroom heading to the balcony, that's on the left on one house and on the right on the other house. This is how it looks like. That's the view from the balcony. It's awesome, you guys. What do you think? This is the other side of the balcony. That's the blue thing is the generator that they use, and that's the kind of lock system they have on the door. So a thing to note is that long pipe thing on the side that is draining water. That's from the balconies of the houses that are above. They have that small hole that is used to get water off from the balconies. That is how it drains going downwards. So thank you so much for watching this, guys. Look out for the ones at Joyland and the ones at the Rwaka Center.